Hello, today going to share you a solution for QGIS and ArcGIS. The solution is for making your map look prettier and the process easier. So the problem is that you are making a map, you have done processing and all the things, but whilst finally setting the map, you want to share the data only inside a certain boundary and make the base map visible. What you do is clip all the layers loaded in the map. For example, in this case, there are many layers included inside a boundary like this one. This makes map look little bit messier, and while you go on clipping the raster files or vector files, the process becomes lengthier. And so what I'll teach you is a solution for this. So let's make the map ready. You load all the files you need and go to the project and layout manager. You go click on the layout you have created or create the new one. For in my case, there is already a layout. So okay, you go on to add map and add the map. Now to make the map visible only inside the boundary, there is an option called Atlas in the headline. So look at this. You can also go on to click Atlas here. So what you need to do is go to Atlas here. There is an option called Generate an Atlas. Check on the option, and in the coverage layer you can give the boundary. In case I have only one boundary, so it's already loaded here, but if you have many boundaries and you want the feature only inside a single boundary, then you can choose from the option. For only clipping the feature inside the boundary, there is no need to change the other options, so leave it on default. Then go to item properties, and here is the option called clip setting. So and here is clip to atlas feature settings. Take on the features, then by default or not, you have this clip selected layers option. In here you can select the bound features you want inside the boundary or to be clipped. If you want to visualize the admin boundary, check on the feature. If you don't want to visualize, then leave it itself. So let's check on all the layers. You can, if the rendering doesn't, so sometimes you can click this button, preview atlas, then the feature will be loaded. And if you want to visualize the base map too, then you can check the base map and clip all the features. For example, you don't want to clip some feature, then you can check out the option. By this way you can create a beautiful map and make your process easier. So if you are working on QGIS, this works fine. But if you are making map with ArcMap, I'll show you a solution too. The problem is same. Features are loaded this way. Now right click on the layers and go to data frame property. In here there is data frame options. Go to data frame, then go to clip to shape option, clip option, specify shape, and you can give the boundary, admin boundary features all. Okay, but if you want to exclude some layers, then go to check this button and check this button, close and apply. Okay, there you get it. Beautiful map without lengthening your process and simplifying the tasks. Thank you. Happy mapping.